We are gonna make our Cafe Mocha protein shake with our LadyBoss LEAN protein. This is formulated specifically for women. If you're a busy mom and you don't have time to make a breakfast in the morning, like a hot breakfast, this is your solution. It's gonna be your coffee and your breakfast all in one. So there's tons of vitamins and nutrients, 15 grams of protein. So we're gonna show you how quick and easy this is. All right, you ready? Pour it in. 1 scoop of the protein. Then we have a cup of coffee. I mixed up instant coffee, but you could use any kind of coffee, just make sure it's cool. Pour it in. We're gonna do a tablespoon of cocoa powder. You help me? Ready? Oh, what's this? Dump it in. Good job. Oh, yummy. And last thing we need is a half a cup of milk. Good job. All right, and then I like to throw a few ice cubes in there. Just shake it up. The protein has amazing consistency, so it doesn't get clumpy or anything. It blends up so nice. Just a little bit. All right, blend it up. Hi, and we're done. This is so much better than heading to Starbucks. There's, not all that added sugar that you don't need. So I love mixing this up. It's so delicious. Did you drink it? You can't have any. Sorry, honey. So good. Click the link to get your free sample.